Hello, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a login form so the user cannot log in into the spreadsheet without a proper or accurate username and password. So let's start. So I am going to first show you a sample form. Okay, here's a username I have to add and the password, then by hitting a login, then the sheet is there. Okay, I'm going to make it from scratch. Let's open Excel by window R to open the one and write Excel. Okay, blank workbook. I'm going to save it by hitting F12, save as. Okay, making the name login form and making it macro enabled workbook. Hit save button. Okay, great. So here we have a developer tab. If you cannot see a developer tab in your Excel workbook, click on file, options, customize ribbon, and make sure this checkbox is on and hit OK. So the developer tab is there. Click on Visual Basic. Here is the interface for the Visual Basic ID. So we need to add a form over there which will be shown when the application is launched. So I'm going to insert the user form here. Going to add text field here for the username and similarly for the password. I'm going to add the labels, username, copy and paste this one. Okay, then I'm going to write password. Going to add the two buttons, click on it, write its caption, login, Control C and Control V for the cancel button. Cancel. Okay, great. I'm going to add one label over the top which will show user login information. User login information. Okay, great. I'm going to add a picture over there. So select the image tool and draw it. Then click on here on the properties picture. If you do not see the property, just like this, click on properties windows up or press F4. Okay, the picture is none. I'm going to add the picture. Okay, that's good. You can resize the box to fit the picture according to your need. Great. Okay, fine. So going to make bit alignment, adjusting the font size according to my needs. Okay, now I'm going to do bit formatting of my buttons, labels. Okay, let me start from the top label. Here's a font. I'm going to change the font to 16 bold. Okay, then I would like to make it into the center of the form, center alignment. Here is a fore color or font color. You can set it just like that. Here is the back color. You can set the back color. Okay, let me change it. Just suppose the black color. Okay, so here I would like to change the font of these labels to, click on just post 12 bold. Okay, then these one too, text fields too, font bold, just post 14. Okay, fine. So you can change the back color here if you would like to change. Okay, let me do it. So just suppose here's a color. I'm going to change the colors of buttons fore and back, both. The back color I'm going to do this one, and let me change the fore color to just suppose white, and let me change the font to the 14 bold. Okay, so the login button is not, its information is not too visible. I'm going to expand it, making its height bit more. Okay, that's fine. So here is the interface of our login form. Okay, let me check it. Hit 1. Okay, here is a login form. Okay, I'm going to close this one. I'm going to change the caption user form to, here's a name. I'm going to change the name form login, and the caption which will be shown on the title bar to, okay, here user login form. Okay, you can see over there user login form. Okay, I'm going to change the name of the text fields, txt username, and going to change txt password. Okay, great. So almost our interface is complete. Now I'm going to add a coding so that it works perfectly. So we would like, then when user opens the Excel sheet, then instead of opening the sheets to me, I would like a user to show a login form, and when the login information is typed correctly, then the Excel sheets will be shown to the user, otherwise it will not be shown. Great. Okay, so I'm going to write a code. So when hit a login button, double click on it, and over there I'm going to write if me.txt, me, I'm referencing the current field on this form, txt username, suppose admin. So I'm going to write in inverted commas. So if I'm setting the username as admin, and suppose me.txt password equal to, I'm going to set the password for this, just suppose 1234. So if the username is typed on the text field is admin and the password is typed is 1234, then what to do? Then do something, and if what to do then? So then we have to make the visibility of the application to true, and we have to hide the login form. So I'm going to do that. Application dot visible equal to true, unload me, it means unload the login form. Okay, so then what to do? Then if you would like to if there are many sheets, you would like to go to the specific sheet, then you can select or make it visibility. If don't, you do not do anything. Let's make it as it is. Okay, let me do it. To go to the specific sheets, so sheets, sheet 1 dot select. That's it. So what if the password or username not match? So okay, else show the message box to the user wrong user name or password, VB critical. Okay, so what is the title? What will the title? Wrong information. Okay, then what to do, you would, if you would like to see the message on the screen same, okay, then do nothing. If you would like to close the application, then you have to add the code active workbook dot close, close save changes. When the sheet is application is going to close, what would you like to do? Save the changes, save changes equal to false. Do not change, save the anything. Okay, control S. Now the login form is will accept the username and the password, and if the information is correct, then it will show the application, otherwise not. Okay, so how to show the login form at start? That's good. So here on the workbook, view code, click on workbook. Here's open method already selected. If not, you can choose open method over there. So here you can make application dot visible equal to false. So do not show me the Excel when the workbook is open. So what to show? Form login dot show. Then show me the login form. This one. That's great. Okay, fine. Okay, let me check it. Close this one. Okay, here is a login form. Okay, I'm going to open it. On a first attempt, click on enable contents. Oh, let me do it again. Enable contents. Here is a username. Just suppose I am going to write admin, and here 1234 password. I'm going to write the wrong password over login. Wrong username or password, the application will be closed. Okay, I'm going to write again the admin 1234. If you see, the password is shown to the user. So if you would like to hide the password by replacing the characters with stars or anything else, okay, let me do it. Login. Okay, that's fine. Go to developer tab. I'm going to set this field password by replacing the characters by stars or something. Okay, here's a password char. I'm going to replace, I can replace it by star, or I'm going to get a vertical bar. So instead of showing the characters which I'm going to type, show me the vertical bar. So actually hiding the password from user. Okay, that's good. So what cancel button also do? Let me double click on it. Cancel button will make the active workbook to close. So I'm going to copy this code and then paste. That's it. Okay, yes, save changes. Going to check it. Good. So if I hit, oh, there's something. Oh, okay, let me fix it later. And admin, so password is 1234. That's it. Good. So I will fix the cancel button in the later videos. Okay, that's fine. So here's a login form. You can create very simple and easy. I have other videos too, I will be uploaded soon, and the tips and tricks regarding the VBA, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. Thanks for watching.